Welcome friends, fellow meat enthusiasts. Who doesn't like a traditional spiral ham? What we're going to do with it is anything but traditional. Double smoking it brings the flavor to the next level. So in this case, we ditched our ham glaze and we covered it in regular yellow mustard. After that, we had a preheated smoker at 160 degrees. Took about 2 hours and 45 minutes and it got it up to an internal temp of 130, which is about what we want. Just taking out a little bit of the extra fat here, getting nice lean slices ready. We're gonna take some slider rolls and make some delicious ham sliders. Really is gonna break up the monotony of what you'd usually have at, say, Easter dinner or something like that. These come out great. We're gonna start by putting down a little bit of mayonnaise on our slider rolls. Now that we got that laid out, another little hit of mayonnaise. We took the time to caramelize some onions. A nice layer of those in here. Swiss cheese. Top your sliders. So we got a melted stick of butter, and then we took some onion powder, some salt and some pepper, some Dijon mustard and some Worcestershire sauce, and some poppy seeds. We're gonna mix that all together and put that on the top of the bread. It's good and mixed. Then you just brush it right on. Just let it soak in for say 2 minutes before you throw it in the oven. I mean, just look at that. What would you rather have? Spiral ham and green beans or a great ham slider like that? Let's get it in the oven. So my 12 sliders are in the oven cooking. Got all this ham left to use. I thought this might happen, a whole ham for some sliders. We got more slider rolls, plenty of ham. We're gonna add in some pickles, a mayonnaise and mustard mix, some Spanish roast pork slices, some Swiss cheese, and do Cuban-inspired slider. For our Cuban sliders, we're going to use the sandwich press. In just a couple minutes here. Oh, that looks nice. I would rather see these for Easter dinner than a spiral ham cut up on the table. Just saying. What do you think is going to be better? The nice crispy pressed Cuban sandwich or the ham, cheese, caramelized onion, buttery combination here? Without further ado, give it a shot. Start with the buttery ham Swiss onion slider. That's good. Wow. The poppy seeds, the seasoning, the caramelized onions, that flavor is out of this world. Hands down, best ham sandwich I've ever had in my life. That's gonna be tough to beat. I am partial to Cuban sandwiches, but I don't know. That sets the bar pretty high. Let's give this one a shot. Nice crispy textured sandwich pressed. Pickles, mayonnaise, mustard, roasted pork, double smoked ham. Can't go wrong. Make either one of these, make them both. Next time you see a spiral ham go on sale for the holidays, you might want to grab an extra one. This is so worth it. These are both incredible. You got to try them for yourself, seriously. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell if you want to see what we're up to next. Thanks for watching. Still got a huge pile of this delicious ham. It won't be a problem.